how to remove yourself from a post that you get tagged on X. So this is my X account and I got tagged on this post. If you click on it, you can see that it opened, and I do not actually associate myself with this because I do not know what this is all about. So all I need to do is to click on the three-dotted icon, and then I'm going to click on leave conversation. You notice it says this conversation, blah, 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 blah. Just click on leave. Now, if you leave this conversation, you can also go ahead and block this person so that the person wouldn't tag you in their future post whenever they post something like that. And also, I'm going to show you how to stop people entirely from adding you to this kind of post on a different video. I hope this video is helpful. Smash like and subscribe to the channel. And also, you can follow me on X. This is another account I have on X. So see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.